So you've got yourself the Google Pixel 8 Pro and you're wondering how to install the SIM card in your phone. It's really quite simple to install. This is the nano size SIM card. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So in the box here, you should have had a little document that looks like this. And on the inside, there is a SIM card ejection tool. We're gonna go ahead and pull that out. If you don't have one of those, you can probably use a paper clip. Now on our phone, what we're gonna do is grab our phone, and on the side here, make sure your phone is powered off, by the way. You're gonna find a small little tray right here with a hole. It's right there. And we're gonna grab that SIM ejection tool here, and we're gonna push this right in. Make sure it is straight. And we're gonna push that in and give it a little push, and it should pop the tray out just like that. You can see it sticking out. We'll go ahead and slide that tray all the way out just like that. Now we're gonna grab our nano SIM here, and it looks just like that. Make sure that the side with the connectors on is facing up. And you can see that one of the corners on the tray has a kind of angular cut on it, and the SIM card has the same angular cut on it. So we're gonna make sure that those line up, and we're gonna put that in with the connectors facing up just like that. And once that's in that tray, give it a little bit of a push. Be very careful you don't break this. It snaps right into place. We're gonna go ahead and grab our phone again and make sure that that pinhole there on the side of the SIM tray does line up with the hole here on the phone. You wanna make sure this goes in the correct direction, so those connectors are facing up on your phone just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and slide that in. Make sure it is straight again, this is very important. And it should slide in quite smoothly. And once it's almost all the way in, we're just gonna give it a push, just like that. And now your SIM card is installed in your Pixel 8 Pro. And really it's that simple to install your SIM card in your new phone.